Alright, hello again everyone. Today I'm going to make a video solely about spheronic photon traps, which is basically a device I invented to observe photons rotating at the speed of light. Now, originally I thought you would have to use mirrors, maybe like a sphere of mirrors or a cylinder of mirrors, and have a slit cut in to allow the photons to come in and then rotate at the speed of light. But you might not actually need a mirror. You could probably just have a really smooth material to basically catch that photon. Now, you could, basically it'd be a sphere like this or a cylinder with a slit cut into it at the right angle so that the photon grabs the curvature and rotates at the speed of light. And you also might be able to do experiments with electrons where you fire them at like 99.9999% the speed of light and see what happens when they rotate at extremely high speeds. And this could open up a lot of possibilities as far as technology, and could open up understanding about the universe and things like that. One thing with the spheronic photon trap, it's the first experiment ever where you can observe something rotating at the speed of light or near the speed of light. And the reason that's important is because black holes rotate at extremely high speeds. Sometimes it's at the speed of light or near the speed of light. Well, I should say measured so far is extremely high speeds near the speed of light. And so this will be the first experiment ever where we can observe something close to a black hole as far as the high speeds, not the high mass yet, but that's a very important leap scientifically for us to observe photons rotating at the speed of light or electrons rotating at near the speed of light, to see what kind of things we can discover and explore about things rotating at high speeds. And this can open up understanding about black holes and nature, and also could further developments in other areas technologically. So spheronic photon traps is something I definitely want to explore, and I want other people to get interested in. And eventually I want to build one or see the results if someone else builds one, like CERN or some of the big physics facilities that have the means to make things like this. Now, rotating photons at the speed of light, one of the possibilities is that the photon can go back and forth in time depending on the conditions of the experiment, and another possibility is that the photon, when rotating at the speed of light, could go to other universes, alternate universes. So that's another possibility. But either way, it'll be the first ever experiment similar to a black hole where you can rotate things near or at the speed of light. Now, a spheronic photon trap basically is a revolutionary experiment in observing things rotating at high speeds, and it's a very simple overall experiment. You could basically have something similar to this, but not glass. You'd probably want something encased in so that the photon doesn't escape, basically like a metallic or whatever backing, and just have the photon come in at the proper angle in the slit to rotate it at the speed of light. And that's something hopefully we can create in the next 5 years or so. And it's something I'm gonna look into because I definitely wanna make that. Now, you know, there's also a few other things I'm working on as far as inventions, so I won't discuss them yet. But they have potential. So that's spheronic photon traps. Now, I just wanted to give you a visual sort of diagram that you could interpret what a spheronic photon trap would be. And, you know, using this experiment, rotating things in a sphere at the speed of light, you know, is something that can create photonic black holes, which are basically photons rotating at the speed of light, and they could create a photonic black hole. Now, one other thing you could possibly do is use electromagnetic or magnetic interference to basically, you'd have the photon come in, and, you know, controlling the magnetism, you can maybe pull the photon to rotate in a tighter and tighter orbit until it's, you know, just rotating at the speed of light at a single point in space. And that could make something similar to a singularity, but, you know, with a photon. So that's another interesting sort of idea about it. So that's spheronic photon traps. If you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to drop a line, and I'll get back to you. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know. And explore your world, explore your universe, and explore yourself. Alright, have a good day and a good night.